In this video, we're going to look at how you can create and use annotations within NVivo. As you read through your material, you'll want to record your impressions about specific passages. This video will show you how to create annotations, one tool to use in your reading and reflection. I'm going to start by reading a transcript. I'm going to read Thomas's transcript by double-clicking. As I begin reading, I can see Thomas uses a term that is unfamiliar to me. I would like to make a note to explore this term and what I think it might mean. To do this, I select the passage in the text. Then I can click on the document tab that has appeared and click New Annotation. I type my note in the content area. When I am finished and click back into detailed view, the selected text is now highlighted in blue. You will notice that as you continue to work with your project, an annotation and its associated blue highlight stays with the content in any view, such as from a node. Annotations are hyperlinked to the text, so if I scroll down to this second annotation that was already created in Thomas's transcript and double click on it, the source will jump to the text it is linked to. On the Document tab, you will see a checkbox to toggle the visibility of the content of the annotation. If you'd like to see a list of all annotations in your project, go down here to Annotations in the Notes area. You can also open an annotation from here if you would like to update it.